Wow, I am impressed. I was not thinking I would hear something like this. Hi, I'm Pierre and welcome to Neon Reactions. So, we're trying something new here. A week ago or 2 weeks ago, we watched Danielle from New Jeans cover the song Rainy Days by V. Everybody told me to check out V himself. First of all, I want to ask, is he called V? Does he have a name or is he just a letter? That's for beginners. I only know that he's from BTS. That's what you guys told me. And so I went into YouTube, I put in V Rainy Days, and then I saw like he dropped a new song today, which is called Slow Dancing. And I figured, okay, we're going to watch Slow Dancing. I want to see what he does. I just want to see him with something I haven't heard before. And I will check out Rainy Days, no doubt about that, but I just want to get to know him. I'm curious. I'm very curious now because you have all praised him so much as being this soulful, deep singer. Okay, let's get into it. Before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Tell me about him. Does he have a name? As I said, I have no idea about BTS. I've heard songs here and there, but I never looked into them. So yeah, educate me. But for now, we're gonna watch Slow Dancing. Let's see what this is all about. I have zero idea. Okay. Oh. Okay, wait. Are we still in K-pop? This is okay, this was a smooth beginning. Wow. Okay, we're going back. I need that drop again. That was sweet. Oh wow. Such a dreamy sound. I am loving the bass in the back. Very groovy, plucking, superb. The synth, the keyboard has a very organ-like sound, very laid back and smooth. Oh, and his voice, I didn't want to get to that yet, but it sounds awesome up to now. And I think I can understand now why you guys told me to listen to the original Rainy Days. His voice is interesting. Let's get into that a bit more. Wow. Oh, he goes down low. A nice bus. Oh, wow. Was that a little diorama of a city? That looks cool. That looks cool. Okay, his voice. He has an astounding voice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. The song itself, this is like lay back, having a cocktail in your hand, the sun is setting slowly. Beautiful, beautiful song up to now. Okay, I'm sorry. What are they catching? Okay, okay. This is such a catchy melody. This is so soothing. I was completely not expecting this. This is laid back AF. Wow. The bass. A flute, a tiny flute. And the video itself just gives me that chill vibe. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Just people having fun at the beach, you know, chilling, dancing, listening to music. Really, really wonderful. Really wonderful. Wow. And the fact that the song seems to have a flute solo now, which is cool. Oh, that's a what do you call it? That's a pan flute. You know, the ones with all the little the bamboo sticks next to each other where you play like this, and the other one is a real flute. That sounds good together. Did he write this song himself? Is he a composer too? This is so groovy. This is beautiful. Wow, I am impressed. I was not thinking I would hear something like this. And that was it. Yeah. What can I say? This was wow. His voice is very, very good. Very distinguishable voice. Really great, really great. His end cards even have rainy days on it right now. Should we watch that right after this now? Let's just click on it. Let's watch it. This was really good. I love his voice, and now I just want to see how his original Rainy Days is. Let's just click on it. How old is he?
about you.
Oh.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Rainy days like rainy days. Nice.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을
Okay. I get what you were telling me. I had a lot of comments telling me that his version is a bit different. You all told me Danielle's voice is beautiful. I know that, but her version was soft and smooth, and his was more deep and thoughtful, which I can sort of like relate to now. He has a very interesting voice. It's very airy, full of breath, but also full of volume, which is a little bit contradicting, but it sounds good. It sounds really good.
oh, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
Nice.
What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On
Rainy days like
rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how
beautiful.
to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
This looks nice. It's a nice video too. But for the moment, I'm just concentrating on his voice.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can
Okay.
feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you.
I am wondering what did he do with his voice on the chorus here? That rainy days. He layered something in the back. I'm not yet understanding what. He definitely layered his own voice back there. But that's not all of it. There's I can't really make it out, but it sounds very interesting.
And I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
That's cool.
On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
This is a beautiful song. And okay, I'll get to it in a second. There it's over. Okay. His original, of course, it's amazing. I really enjoy his voice. I feel bad for not having checked out his music sooner, you know. I should have done it right when you told me under the Danielle video. Really, really good. I'm actually really happy that I did this now. I said in the other video that I don't care how he sings it, Danielle did it better. To me, they are both in two different worlds when singing this. But as for liking it, I do like them both very, very much. I've been listening to Danielle and this song quite often now because I just enjoy her voice. That's just me. I enjoy female voices much more than male voices. But he's special. He is a very bluesy soul singer. I was not expecting that. He's good. He's really good. This was okay, folks. This video has already been twice as long as I intended. I'm sorry. But I just saw that and we had to do this now. So, yeah. Thank you for sticking around. And thank you for pushing me to watch this here. This made my day. This is really cool. Maybe I should take a look at more of his stuff and then maybe take a step towards BTS. I don't know. Or am I mixing something up? He is from BTS, right? I'm gonna have to take a look. I'm still trying to get the names of the Stray Kids guys in order in my head. It will be hard to get a new boy band in there, but hey, I'm all up for the challenge, you know. So yes, thanks for sticking around. You guys take care, stay safe. Don't forget to educate me down in the comments. That would really, really be awesome if I could get to know him a bit better. Yeah, and as I always say, sarange, annyeong. Until the next time. Yeah, bye. This was